Searching for the best electric staple gun feels like picking a needle from a haystack. Every model looks the same online, same claims, same shiny photos. But honestly, the real difference isn't in the pictures, it's in how they actually perform when you're deep into a DIY project or fixing up furniture. Today, I'm cutting through the noise. Product number 1, Bielmeier 2-in-1 Cordless Stapler. Let's start with the Bielmeier 2-in-1 Cordless Staple Gun. This one caught my eye because it's super affordable at just $30 and comes with everything you need right out of the box. It's lightweight, only 1.6 pounds, and includes 1,200 staples and 400 nails. If you want a budget-friendly, no-fuss tool for light home repairs, upholstery, or crafting, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It runs on a 1,500 mAh lithium-ion battery that charges in just 2 hours via USB-C, no compressor or cords needed. That means you can use it anywhere, whether you're roof-holstering a chair in the garage or fixing loose carpet in the living room. It drives T50 staples from 1/4 to 9/16 inch and brad nails up to 5/8 inch, and the transparent window lets you see when you're running low. Plus, it fires up to 50 pins per minute, which is plenty for casual use. Now, some people complained about inconsistent firing. Sometimes it jams or doesn't sync staples fully. Here's the thing though, for the price and intended use, it's totally acceptable. This isn't a pro tool, and if you're doing heavy-duty work daily, it might frustrate you. But for occasional fixes around the house, it gets the job done. This is perfect for you if you're a weekend DIYer or need a simple tool for small projects. Skip this one if you're doing frequent upholstery or need deep penetration into hardwood. For under $35, it's a solid entry-level pick. Product number 2, Milwaukee M12 Crown Stapler. Now, if the Bielmeier's power limitations bothered you, the Milwaukee M12 3/8 Crown Stapler steps up in a big way. Priced at $126, this is a serious tool built for pros and serious DIYers. It's compact at just 3 pounds and 7.25 inches long, making it easy to handle in tight spaces. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It drives 3/8 crown staples from 1/4 to 9/16 and can fire up to 1,500 staples per charge on an M12 battery. That's a huge step up from the Bielmeier. The dual mode trigger lets you switch between sequential and contact firing, so you can precision place staples or speed through large jobs. Plus, the staple leg locating arrow ensures accuracy, no more guessing where the staple will go. Now, some people were frustrated that the battery isn't included. You have to buy it separately if you don't already own Milwaukee's M12 system. Here's the thing though, if you're already in the Milwaukee ecosystem, this is a no-brainer. But if you're starting fresh, the total cost jumps fast. Still, the build quality and performance justify it for frequent users. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor, serious woodworker, or already use Milwaukee tools. Skip this one if you only need occasional use or don't want to invest in a battery platform. It's pricey, but it's built to last. Product number 3, Ryobi 1 Plus Cordless Stapler. Alright, that was a solid pro option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for homeowners with bigger projects. The Ryobi 18-volt 1 Plus Cordless Crown Stapler. At $95 tool only, it's a mid-range powerhouse that works with Ryobi's massive 1 Plus battery system. If you want long runtime and compatibility with other tools, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It drives up to 5,500 staples per charge on a 4Ah battery. That's over 3 times more than the Milwaukee. That means fewer interruptions on big jobs like installing insulation, building furniture, or securing wire mesh. The depth adjustment knob lets you control how deep the staple goes, which is crucial when working with different materials. Now, some people complained about the weight. It's a bit heavier than the Milwaukee, and since the battery isn't included, you're adding more cost if you don't already own Ryobi tools. Here's the thing though, if you're already using Ryobi drills or saws, this stapler fits right in. The ecosystem saves money long-term. This is perfect for you if you're a homeowner with multiple projects or already use Ryobi tools. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only need occasional light use. It's a great balance of power and value. Product number 4, Bielmeier 5-in-1 Staple Gun. Now, if you liked the first Bielmeier but wanted more versatility, this upgraded 5-in-1 model might be your sweet spot. At $58, it's still budget-friendly but packs way more capability. It handles 5 different fastener types and comes with 1,950 staples and nails. If you want one tool for upholstery, wire management, and light carpentry, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It works with T50, T20, and T25 staples, plus 1932-pin nails, giving you flexibility most cheap guns don't offer. The 2000 mAh battery shoots up to 1,200 fasteners per charge and charges in 3 hours. The safety system with 3 switches and a green LED indicator makes it safe for beginners, and the window lets you monitor supply levels. Now, some people reported that it can struggle with thicker materials like hardwood or dense foam. Here's the thing though, it's not meant for heavy construction. But for fabric, softwood carpet, and wire tacking, it shines. Just don't expect pro-level power. This is perfect for you if you're a creative DIYer or need a multi-use tool for home projects. Skip this one if you're doing structural work or need deep penetration. For under $60, it's a fantastic all-rounder. Product number 5, Arrow PT50 Pneumatic Stapler. Finally, if you're tired of batteries and charging, the Arrow PT50 Pneumatic Staple Gun brings old-school reliability. Though the price isn't listed, it's typically around $50.60 and includes 3,750 T50 staples. If you already have an air compressor and want consistent, powerful performance, this is worth a serious look. It's oil-free, has an adjustable exhaust, and drives 1.4 to 1.2 staples with force, ideal for upholstery, woodworking, and even light construction. The included staples mean you can start working immediately. Now, some people hate the hose and compressor setup. It's less portable and adds clutter. Here's the thing though, if you're working in a shop or garage, that's not a problem. But if you need mobility, it's a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a professional upholsterer or have a workshop with air tools. Skip this one if you need cordless convenience or don't own a compressor. It's simple, powerful, and reliable. So which one should you buy? The Bielmeier 2-in-1 is great for light, occasional use. The Milwaukee M12 is the pro's choice. The Ryobi 1 Plus offers the best battery life for homeowners. The Bielmeier 5-in-1 gives you the most versatility on a budget. And the Arrow PT50 is perfect if you've got an air compressor. Pick based on your needs, not the flashiest ads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.